told you there's a brand new project in Dubai that sits directly on Sheikh Zayed Road, where you walk out of your front door and step onto a bridge that takes you straight to the metro station. No car, no cab, no waiting. That project is Raw District by Imtiaz Developments, a mixed use of lifestyle destination in downtown Jebel Ali. Fully furnished apartments starting from just 650,000 dirhams. That's roughly 1.5 crore Indian rupees at today's exchange rate. And this is not just another residential tower. There are offices, retail spaces, co-working spaces, a podcast studio, cinema, all inside the same development. My name is Kriya. I work in Dubai Real Estate. Today I'm going to break this project down completely. Location, pricing, configuration, payment plans, and why you should invest in this project. Everything a serious buyer needs to know before making the final decision. So let's understand the location first. So here is your existing airport. This is downtown Dubai where I'm standing right now. Here is your Palm Jumeirah. This is Palm Jebel Ali, which is twice the size of Palm Jumeirah that is coming in future. And here is the plot, the new project that we are going to talk about, that is Raw District by Imtiaz. Now this is the project and this sits directly on Sheikh Zayed Road, which is directly connecting from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. And this is not just a side street, this is Dubai's central spine. And here is the metro, which is right at your doorstep. And I really want you to pay attention to this point. Raw District has a dedicated pedestrian bridge over here, giving direct access to metro station, which is Life Pharmacy metro station. And this metro station is on the red line, which means that on the red line, they can easily reach from Life Pharmacy metro station to DMCC, JLT, downtown Dubai within 25 to 30 minutes. This is one of the very few newest off-plan project that we are getting right at the metro station and is literally connected to the main Sheikh Zayed Road. If you also talk about the surroundings over here, then this is Jafza, Jebel Ali Free Zone. It's home to over 10,000 plus companies, and currently there are many companies that are operating over there where a lot of employees are working, probably very less residential projects that exist in this area where Imtiaz has launched the project, which means that demand for the residential project is never going to go down. It's actually going to increase since residential plots are less and companies are taking more place over there. And right next to Jafza, there is Jebel Ali Port, which is the largest man-made harbor in the Middle East. Let's talk about a bit Jebel Ali Port. Now this entry corridor is built around trade, industry and commerce, which means stable jobs and population density. Exactly what you want near an investment property. So I'll quickly give you the highlights of other locations in Dubai which are already very famous in Dubai and how far is this project from those locations. So here are some locations. Palm Jebel Ali is just 10 minutes away from Raw District project. Dubai Marina is 15 minutes away. Expo City again 10 minutes. Palm Jumeirah, which is 20 minutes away. Maktoum International Airport, which is going to be world's biggest international airport and fully operational by 2035. That is just 25 minutes away. And Dubai International Airport, which is our existing airports, that is 30 minutes away. And Abu Dhabi, you can easily reach in 15 minutes. So the location is quite ideal since it's sitting directly on Sheikh Zayed Road, and where you can also go to Abu Dhabi under 1 hour, as well as you can touch to the other parts of Dubai also under 1 hour. So this is the main render of the project. So these three towers are residential towers. This is going to be commercial tower. In central, there is a lot of lifestyle amenities are given, and on roof you can see that there is already pool given in every tower. And here you have a retail space, and this is going to be the corporate office. Okay, let's understand the configuration. So studio starting price is 649,000 dirhams. Now the size that you are getting for the studio, that is 380 square feet. One bedroom suite starting price is 889,000 dirhams. However, the size you are getting for suite is 610 square feet. One bedroom is starting from 1 million dirham, and the size you're getting for one bedroom is good 720 square feet. Two bedroom 1.4 million starting from 1054 square feet. Three bedroom is 1.9 million starting from 1400 square feet. Office space is 1.2 million dirham. Now this is the main highlight of the project. It's a very affordable and good numbers for the office space. Now the size is 700 square feet, and the retail space again starting from 2.5 million dirhams, and the size you get, that is 1000 square feet. If you talk about the payment plan, you get two payment plans. First is 50-50, where you pay 50% during construction and 50% on completion. Second is post handover payment plan, where you are paying 60% during construction and 40% after the handover, which you can easily cover it from the rental income. The handover is on Q1 2029. You get co-working spaces and private meeting rooms, podcast, media and photography studios, fully equipped Raw Pro gym, indoor and outdoor cinema areas, adult and kids swimming pool, yoga deck and wellness spaces, reading lounge and library, creative design lab and 3D print studio, retail and dining concepts, cold plunge and recovery zones, art gallery with curated collections. I'm standing at Life Pharmacy metro station, and within moments of stepping out, you are already at the project site. This level of connectivity is a major advantage for both residents and future tenants, making daily commuting incredibly convenient. What impressed me even more is the scale of the plot. Seeing it on a brochure is one thing, but standing here on site gives you a completely different perspective of what's coming to this location. And it's not just about the metro. One of the biggest growth drivers for this area is its proximity to Dubai's rapidly expanding economic corridor. Nearby, Dubai South continues to attract thousands of businesses across aviation, logistics, e-commerce, technology, and commercial sectors, creating a significant employment hub that is expected to drive long-term residential demand. Adding to that is Al Maktoum International Airport, which is set to become one of the world's largest aviation hubs, with major expansion plans underway and increasing activity already taking place around cargo, logistics, and aviation services. The entire surrounding district is positioned for substantial growth over the coming years. What's particularly interesting is that there are still relatively limited residential options from established developers in this immediate location, making projects like this stand out even more. Now let's head over to Dubai Islands, where Imtiaz recently handed over Beach Walk residence. The moment you enter the lobby, you're welcomed by elegant interiors, premium finishes, rich textures, and hospitality-inspired design. The attention to detail is evident from the very first step, creating an arrival experience that feels more like a luxury hotel than a residential building. This one-bedroom apartment comes fully furnished and move-in ready. The kitchen is fully equipped with a built-in appliances, while the bedroom features fitted wardrobes and a spacious walk-in closet. You also have a dedicated study or co-working space, a powder room for guests, and a bright open plan living area designed for modern lifestyle. And my favorite feature has to be this oversized balcony with beautiful open views and a private jacuzzi, the perfect space to relax. One of the reasons Imtiaz continues to attract strong attention from both investors and end users is their focus on fully furnished homes, thoughtful layouts, premium specifications, and lifestyle-driven amenity. It's a product type that appeals to many tenants looking for convenience from day. When you combine a metro-connected location, the growth of Dubai South, the future expansion of Al Maktoum International Airport, and a developer with a proven track record of delivering high-quality furnished residences, it's easy to understand why so many investors are keeping a close eye on this opportunity. The project is 100% freehold, open to all nationalities, including NRI buyers. Let's talk about why you should invest in this project. The very first reason is that you have a direct metro access. Since the project sits on Sheikh Zayed Road, and the moment you step onto the bridge, it takes you straight to the metro station. Now this will give you very high capital gains at the time of handover, as well as a very good ROI, and you can easily achieve 8 to 9% rentals. Number two is that the project comes with fully furnished, which means that there is no extra cost that you have to bear after the handover. And also the rentals that you'll get in Dubai for fully furnished is always going to be more than the semi and unfurnished apartments. Number three is the flexible payment plan. Since this project and the developer is giving you two different payment plans, the first is 50-50, where you pay 50% during construction and 50% at the time of handover. Second payment plan is 60-40 post handover payment plan, where you pay 60% during construction and 40% you will have time to pay for next 3 years after the handover, which you can easily cover it from the rentals, and that is roughly you are paying 3.3% quarterly. Number four is mixed use ecosystem. Since this project is having residential tower, commercial tower, retail spaces, which means that the demand is going to balance, which means that there is going to be equal demand for the rentals, as well as there is Jafza nearby, where 10,000 plus companies are already functional at this moment. So everybody who works there, or the one who are going to work in this commercial space into this similar project, they all would want to live in the same place where they do not have to travel or commute from far places. Number 5 is Al Maktoum International Airport. I'm very sure that you must have heard a lot about this project. There is billions of dirhams that government is investing into this, and this is going to be world's biggest international airport. Since there is already logistic and cargo is happening at this moment, in future Al Maktoum Airport is fully going to be functional by 2035, and that's where demand is going to increase for the population in the southwards, which is also going to attract to the people to come to this project and live here. And the last but not least is service charges. For this project, the service charges is only 18 dirham per square feet, significantly lower than Dubai average, meaning higher net yield for pure investors. If we also talk about Indian investors and NRIs, studios starting from 649,000 dirhams sits within a single financial year's LRS allowance, which means that in US dollars, it's going to be only $250,000 per pan. No multi-year remittance planning needed. Number 2, the project is 100% freehold, which means full ownership for all the nationality. Number 3, 3-bedroom is 1.95 million dirhams, which is still sitting under 2 million dirhams. So that is Raw District by Imtiaz Developments, a complete breakdown. 4 towers, fully furnished, metro at your doorstep, studio starting from just 649,000 dirhams, 2 flexible payment plans, handover Q1 2029. If you want floor plan, brochure or one-on-one consultation, message me directly on my WhatsApp or on Instagram. Link is in the description. No pressure, no obligation, just honest advice. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like and share with anyone you know who is looking at Dubai real estate. This is me, Kriya, signing off. See you in the next one.